Right, hello and welcome to our first video here. I'm going to do a new account. Let's say that I in the first in 19.
You're like very old.
Perfect. Username. First Weber. Va? Hey.
Wait, is someone using that?
Oh, no. Do you think my real name is Bert177? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, C, D. Hack me if you want to. Let's verify that we are human.
We are not human.
You're super good, I think. Yes, I think I'm going to do it. I have a new account. Now we're just going to make our avatar really good looking. Look at this man. He's really ugly. So we need to make a new haircut and a new face. Let's look what we have. Body part and faces.
Well, that's like original to say. He needs a new face.
I know what we're going to do. Let's do the shield face if we have it.
But we don't have any money.
But it's free. Shield face. Look at this. So fucking cool.
And it is free and we are going to get demonetized on our first video.
Yay! No, our face is gone. All. Here, we have a new face and a new haircut. I think it's time for us to go into a game. Let's go into our first game. And that game is called Being Crushed on a Wall. Let's do this. This game is really good. But no.
You're like banned on all your accounts.
I think so. Or the internet connection is really bad.
Well, probably that.
Now I think we're just going to fix our avatar a little bit. We are good looking. Look at that handsome man. And you just make him R6 and make his arm a little cooler and his leg a little cooler. And that. No, he's so ugly. Can he stop? Like that, and the left leg is going to be that. Look at that handsome man. I want his arm. So that, look at that handsome man. He's so handsome. I would marry this man if I could see him. Like, look at him. I never see anything like that. He's like so handsome. I've never seen him before. He's so handsome. I need to add some friends. Please. Cool. Maybe this is some man I like to add. I'm going to add all of these friends so I can have real friends in the world. Look at this. I'm adding everybody. Already exists. Look at this. Please cool pet. Please cool pets, I'm new. Please cool. Please cool kid. Add. Please cool dude. Now we have some friends. And that's everything for this episode of Cool Roblox Man. Let's see you in the next video. Goodbye.